Model-based test automation with Tosca. A game changer in test automation. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of model-based test automation with Tosca, a revolutionary approach that's changing the game in test automation. If you're interested in making your testing process more efficient and effective, stay tuned. What is model-based test automation? First, let's understand what model-based test automation is. Instead of scripting test cases line by line, model-based testing uses abstract models to represent the application's behavior. Tosca leverages this approach to simplify and accelerate the test design process. Tosca interface showing model-based testing. In Tosca, you start by creating a business model, which maps out your application's structure and workflows. This model serves as a blueprint for generating automated test cases. Benefits of model-based testing. Here are some key benefits of using model-based test automation with Tosca. Reduced maintenance when the application changes. The model updates automatically, minimizing the need to manually update test scripts. Increased reusability. Models can be reused across different test scenarios, making it easier to maintain and extend your tests. Benefits of model-based testing. Faster test creation. Generate test cases quickly from the model, speeding up the entire testing process. Improved accuracy. By focusing on the application's behavior rather than implementation details, you reduce the risk of errors in your test cases. Let's walk through a quick example. Imagine you're testing an online shopping application. You would create a business model in Tosca that includes components like product search, add to cart, and checkout. Each component is represented as a node in the model, creating a business model in Tosca. Once the model is created, Tosca automatically generates test cases based on the structure. You can then execute these tests and get results without having to write extensive test scripts. Best practices for model-based testing. To get the most out of model-based testing with Tosca, consider these best practices. Keep models updated regularly. Review and update your models to reflect any changes in the application. Leverage reusability. Create reusable components in your models to streamline test creation and maintenance. Utilize Tosca's reporting. Take advantage of Tosca's reporting features to track test results and gain insights into test coverage. Model-based test automation with Tosca not only streamlines the testing process, but also enhances the overall quality of your testing efforts. It's a powerful tool for teams looking to improve efficiency and reduce maintenance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights on test automation. Got questions about Tosca or model-based testing? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.